Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and whenever watching this, welcome to a new vlog. Hope you enjoyed the last video about the Nexon EV and how the software update has actually improved the drive experience quite a bit. I haven't checked it in the sports mode. I just want to do one full round in the regular drive mode to see the actual range, the realistic range that I would get. In the next cycle, I'll probably try sports mode, and then also I'm planning a range test. This all builds up for the ownership experience, so stay tuned for that. A video and a written blog. Yes. Sometimes I do write blogs on public sites like Team BHP and all. Classic 86, that's my handle name on Team BHP. You can check out few articles there, and I've written about the Street Twin, the Bentley 300, and what else? I had a Vento even about that. So definitely check that out, and let me know what you think about my writing skills. I miss writing actually. That is something that I used to love quite a lot. Since the 90 days challenge started, I've been very busy with YouTube and the back-end work, so never had time to actually write much, but I wish to. Anyway, in the previous video, in fact for the last few videos, quite a few of you have been complaining about the autofocus going off. There's a new lens. I'm still figuring out the settings and all. Whenever I hit a bump or something, it seems to go out of focus. It's not exactly, I can't exactly tell when, but it's just that this weighs almost 5 kilos guys with the tripod, and whenever I'm driving I can't exactly tell, because this camera, the Sony a6300, doesn't have the flip out screen. We need a lot of money to buy the best of the line Sony cameras, but I'm just living with this 3-year-old camera. I'm trying to do the best, use it to the full potential. In that sense, the footage I'm getting out of this is amazing actually. Just that, yeah, I need to figure out that autofocus thing. And about the shaking, can't help it guys, this camera and this lens don't have any stabilization, so that's the best I can do. I'm sorry. Wait till we get the new iPhone 12, and I'm eagerly looking forward to that video. Okay, anyway, just meeting Chai. He's heading to BMW showroom to get his tire fixed. The front tire has gone apparently, so I got a new tire off Amazon. Yes, you can buy tires off Amazon too. Check the links in the description. I already bought a tire in Amazon. It works brilliantly. You just need to check the dates, but you can't do it till you get it. But you can return it at least if you're not happy. Anyway, he needs it for the upcoming trip. So I just wanted to catch up with him, finish our trip planning from yesterday. So we'll probably catch you guys at the showroom. Okay, see you. That's Chaitanya's bike. He's getting his brake pads and also the tire replaced. Brake pads need to be replaced, and these are official BMW brake pads, right? Yeah. These cost 8,000 each set. I got the EPCs 8,000 for the entire set, but these are branded, BMW branded. Obviously difference will be there. In the work center, just take a look at this color S1000RR, man. Oh boy, and all that bronze color frame looks great. Just done with the showroom visit. Was just giving some company to Chaitanya, and also wanted to see or reaffirm what the changes to the brake pads and the settings for that. So in future, because me and Chaitanya have the same bike, right? I remember how the brake pads are replaced, but I wanted to see how the tire replacement is done. Anyway, he left for his, he's getting trimmed for the trip, so watch out for a completely different Chaitanya soon.
Sriman bro is back.
Look who is back. Back from Vizag. Em techavu Araku nunchi maku?
Mask lesukodaniki.
Araku coffee tevachchu kadara? I am done with my coffee powder.
Nakem telusu, you didn't tell me how.
Did you try coffee there?
Same place.
Same place, museum.
Bentley pe. When we went on the Bentley, we tried that coffee, same thing.
Funny thing, he sent me a photo of Borra Caves that he finally visited. And it was in our first ride in 2016 when I got my Street Twin. He and I went for that ride on, and he came on the Bentley.
I came on the 600, he came on the Street Twin.
Yeah, and none of those bikes are there anymore. Both the bikes are sold. That was actually the first big ride that we did. At that time, that was my first ride with him actually.
I didn't start vlogging then.
Yeah, I posted I think a video, but it was more like a casual video. No,
I had vlog. A GoPro, but I didn't like publish it. I used to just vlog for my own thing. I
had video, but I didn't do motor vlog. I didn't talk in the video. Just some random B-rolls and all. At that point of time, he actually first asked me, shall we ride? There were originally 6-7 people who were interested. Eventually only he and I were left. I was like, I don't know, I haven't ridden with him. He went to Goa, I didn't go. After that Goa kada. So before that was Goa.
Before that was Goa.
Before that was Goa. I was like, I don't know. But then I realized, TK, anyway, I want to go ride, let's see. First time riding with someone for staying for 3 days, I had no clue, guys. So in case you're just starting out to ride with someone, just go ahead, enjoy the ride.
But I think we gelled when we met in Goa.
So we had that experience before. So we didn't have any...
So we understood that we can ride together.
I think Goa, we didn't ride, but I think Srisalam was the first ride we rode together.
Ride, yes. Before that we met.
But we did some breakfast rides, so we are aware of how people, because riding comfort is so important whenever you're traveling with buddies and all, because you need to plan when do you stop, how frequently do you stop.
First you need to understand if
how
this
fast
guy
they
is
ride. If he's not a rash
he's a
guy.
psycho
fellow. That's it. At that time we didn't have Senna. We didn't have bags. He was on a backpack.
Senna for almost 2 years at least.
2 years. We just had a backpack. We used to travel with backpacks. Basic camera kuda lekunde.
No, I had a camera. No, I used to log on the phone.
And oh man, that was entirely a different experience. But I
had a Canon 500D.
You got it, Kuarko?
No, first time actually I used your camera, Nikon.
My D5100.
Yeah, I remember.
I still have that camera. I haven't touched it at all. It was meant for photography. Then you bought the Canon M5.
That's like everything started there.
Right?
Vlogs started there. Everything picked up from that point. So
when sometimes you guys ask, right, can we ride with you? It's a tough topic, guys. It's just that you need people, you need to travel, they need to be your friends. That's when it's easy to have them along with the rides. But don't worry, you have all these KTM, Bajaj, BMW, Triumph groups where if they arrange breakfast rides, once you go, you might find buddies who become friends like us. Yes. We never met before.
We are not school
Goa
friends,
rides,
we are not college friends, we are not friends outside anywhere.
And
it's just from biking.
And we are much closer than any of my friends.
Yeah.
So it's just that go for those rides organized by these manufacturers, and then you'll become friends. Talking about rides, we have a big ride coming up. Thanks for the amazing suggestions about the resorts. I was flooded with messages about places to stay in Wayanad, what to do in Wayanad. And Google is nothing before subscribers' suggestions in terms of where to stay, price.
There, they stay there, they know the right places.
Yeah, I think we are sorted for Wayanad. Kabini, we still need to figure out because it's very expensive to stay. At least 20,000 per night.
Oh yeah, that's too expensive.
And
but we'll do some other place. But let's not remove the date.
We still need to finalize, but nearby there is Coimbatore, there is Ooty.
Yeah, we'll do something.
Ooty
can be done. Ooty, I'm fine.
Ooty will be freaking cold.
It'll be fun.
10.
It'll be fun.
10. It was 10 or 12 when we went in April, right?
That was in April.
April में 10. Chaitanya's bike, I just saw in the morning, got ready. My bike, I just need a wash. His bike, horn needs to be set, right?
Yes.
Suju's bike, he needs to get panniers fitted. For a 9-day trip, we're getting so much of stuff. Panniers, stop boxes.
It's not about getting panniers or fixing our bikes. This is all a part of the fun, the feel. Yeah,
the feel of having that big ride. We are excited, have that preparation.
We don't need all this, but that's an excitement, just like before getting married or something.
Every ride, for one day before the ride starts, it will be jam-packed. Packing, moving here, they're getting stuff. Especially now with COVID, we are eating only our own food. These guys are following their diets anyway, so they would hardly...
One of the best time.
We're saving a lot of money by not eating out in rides.
Yes, and we're saving a lot of calories.
Last trip, Mahabaleshwar, I put on so much weight.
I lost weight in Vizag trip as well. Today morning I checked.
This time, but since Mahabaleshwar, I lost almost 0.7 kilos.
Oh,
just counting, calorie counting. So, on the way. We'll have the preparation video soon, so next video should be that. Just waiting for Suju to come back with his car because he went for some work, right? This fellow is such an idiot, he'll make you wait anywhere in the world. Anyway, chalo, that's it for today's video. In case you're watching this night time, have a good night, take care. See you in the next one. Bye.